Jumping over the spikes. Did I make it to the end? I did. Then I win. That's how it's done. Side scroller tutorial right here. Side scroller. Make a side scrolling racing car to jump over obstacles. So my car is going to be jumping over some spiky things. Okay, first part, let's set the color of the background. From the scene toolbox, drag the set background color to onto the workspace. Drop it in there. In the set background color block, click on the gray oval and select a color. I'm going to go with a nice blue sky. Now let's use the tile map to represent the road for our game. From the scene toolbox drawer, drag a set tile map to into the OnStar block after the set background color. In the set tile map block, click on the gray square to open the tile map editor. In the bottom left corner, set the dimensions to 50 by 8. So it's at 16 by 16. Let me erase that. 50 by 8. Done. Alright, next. Select a tile from the tile gallery and draw your own tile to represent the road for your race. You will notice there is a road tile in miscellaneous part of the tile gallery that you can use. Alright, so let me come in here. I'm going to go to miscellaneous and find a road. There it is. Done. Alright, next. Go back to the tile map editor. This time we're going to create an obstacle. Select a tile from the gallery or draw your own tile to represent an obstacle. Water, hot lava, or spikes. Alright, let me see. Ooh, it already has spikes there for me. Place up to 3 obstacles in a row. So if you did 4, you might not be able to jump over it. Next. Open up the tile map editor again by clicking the square. Create the finish line. Take a look at this picture. There's the finish line. Alright, so I just need to go in here, make a finish line, and choose something from the gallery. Maybe a crowd of people. At the end is the crowd. Alright, done. Next. We're going to add walls on the road for our car to drive on. Click on the wall tool, then drag along the road tiles. Okay, so go back to my tile map. Click on the wall right here, and I'm covering just the road. Not covering the spikes, because the car could go land on the spikes, and that would be ending the game. I'm covering just my road, not my obstacle. Okay. You should see some of your new race course in the simulator. Not all of it is visible. Alright, here's the tricky part. Next, we're going to make the car. I have to click right here, create a race car. I don't click start yet, I click create a race car. Then I click start. From the sprites toolbox drawer, drag a set my sprite block onto on start. Oops. Come on, there you go. In the sprite block, click on the gray image and select an image from the gallery or draw your own car. Alright, I think I'm going to go to the gallery and pick a car. They are down at the bottom. I'll do a purple car. Next. Let's add code to simulate gravity pulling down on our car. Add an acceleration force to our car, so set my sprite X to 0. It's laggy right now. On the X, in the drop-down menu, select AY acceleration, and the value to be 400. That's how hard gravity is going to pull down. Ooh, not 4,000. Now let's add code that will make our car drive forward automatically. From sprites, drag another set my sprite X onto start. Click on the X, choose VX velocity, and set the value to 100. So now my car is going to move. Notice in the game simulator, our car jumps off the screen. There it goes. We need to add some code to follow the car. So from scene, I need camera, follow my sprite. Alright, next. So we're still not done. Don't click start. Come over here to jump your car. Alright, click start. So I need a controller on button A pressed. Then we want to jump when our car is on the road, no flying cars. So from logic, grab an if true then. From the scene, drag is my sprite hitting the wall. Put that right there. Select bottom. So if my car is on the wall, I'm going to set my velocity. So from sprites, set my sprite X to 0. Change the X to VY velocity. And set the value to be minus 200. Alright, next. When our car runs into an obstacle, we should lose the game. So from scene, I need sprite overlaps. Put it right there. In the first sprite of kind overlaps tile, click the checkered square and select my obstacle. That's this pokey tire. Oh, I needed another one of those. It says on the second one, select the finish line. The finish line was my people. Alright, next. From game, drag game over, 2 of them. A game over lose, if I hit the spikes, and a game over win, if I hit the finish line. Alright, let's see if it works. Pushing A to jump. If I don't jump in time, I lose. Alright, that's my game. Jumping over the spikes. Did I make it to the end? I did. Then I win. That's how it's done. Have fun.